Hello everyone. In this series of videos, I am going to show you how to build CRUD API microservices in Python Flask framework, and we are going to create Azure functions for this, and we are going to deploy in Azure portal. Okay, let's start. First thing we are going to do is we are going to delete this app.py file, which is made using the Flask framework. Press and delete. Move to trash. Okay. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to install the Python packages, required Python packages that are needed for this project. Okay, we can see in the requirements text file, we have already installed the Flask. Now we are going to install couple of more dependent packages, that is python.env. Why do we need this file? In the development environment, we can load the environmental variable, that is key value pairs for the Mongo URL or for the different domain names for password storing sensitive details. We can store it in the environmental file, and we can load it into our projects for our development purposes. I'm going to show you later on how we can set our Mongo URLs, how to connect to MongoDB while setting the secret passwords and the connection URL in the .env file. Next thing is PyMongo. It is a driver, the package driver that is needed for us to connect our Python framework, Python Flask framework to the MongoDB, MongoDB Atlas. We are going to use the PyMongo drivers. Next is Azure functions. Azure functions are needed for us to create Azure functions, manage resources, all those things. We need the Azure functions Python package. After writing these package names, we need to install it. How are we going to install it? First, we need to navigate our terminal to our environment. That is our virtual environment. In here, it is my environment. After that, we are going to install all these packages by just typing pip install, read the requirement file, then requirements.txt. It will read the file and install all the packages mentioned in the requirement.txt file. Press enter. See, we have installed PyMongo, Azure Functions, Python.env, Flask. Make sure you have installed this.